Excuses, not gonna lie, I'm at work with it, literally, bro. And then you can see I'm a screen recording, but you can also see you see those. If you look at those two candles right there, you got a couple of rejection candles. That's what I like to see. It's just confirmation. So you see the current candle, right? You have the current candle, which is really pushing down. You see the two candles before it, right? You see candle here, this black one with this long wick, push down, actually lower than that low, lower than that high too. And then you see this candle got pushed down, and it's just constant rejections. And so hopefully, as the night goes on, we get a strong push down, especially going into Monday and Tuesday. Hopefully this thing is done by Tuesday. We just kind of continuing down. Like I said, this is just me trading with the horizontal frame. We'll see how this next candle closes, and the next. Let's see if we look on 1 hour. Oh yeah, nice rejection. Hopefully we continue to get closes or break to the downside. Kind of a little bit of consolidation. We're getting this symmetrical triangle kind of going on here. So check this out. Let's see. Oh. So like I said, if we go to the 1 hour, we're kind of getting this symmetrical triangle that's looking like this. Right, so we have that little bit of a trend going on. Then we have this one, which I'll take it from this last pivot. Right, look like we're starting to get the break downwards though, as this candle is beginning to push down, which will close in the next 38 minutes. So this is just a trade update on where we're at. Y'all have a good night. Yeah, we just continuing to break down. So yeah, man, I'm just at work with it, literally in the store with it. Security, big security running. Nah, I just playing. But yeah, the trade is still going down. Have a good night. We just gonna shoot it out the phone right now, bro. As y'all can see, I just broke down the symmetrical triangle that's happening, or we're starting to get a little bit of consolidation. But right now it's looking like we're starting to get this break downward. Right, so as we're starting to get this break downward, hopefully we just start creating down structure. As you can see, a fair value gap is potentially being created right here. We're on the 1 hour, right? So if you saw the last two videos, we're starting to get a shift in the way we trade. So here you can see there's a fair value gap being created. So I'm expecting a break below outside of that trend, potentially a pullback if we don't just go straight down and to take profit. At this level where this take profit is, there is a level I'm looking for a fair value gap that I'm looking to execute this trade on. I might can actually move my take profit down just a tad bit. There's a 4 hour gap. I think there's also a weekly gap right here as well. But I'm gonna open this one up. And as you can see, we're moving deeper into profit. I had to step outside for a second just because the conversation might get a little crucial, and I want to make sure I'm speaking loud and clear and y'all can hear me. I like us pulling back into these levels, guys, and this is all in aligning with the market cycle I'm already looking for, which was basically that we're going to get a nice healthy pullback going into August, September, October, and then we'll start to get a turnaround going into that end of the year run we typically get for the holidays. I really want to be on the lookout for gold, on the lookout for obviously NQ, YM, and ES. And if we can get in some of those pullbacks, it's going to help us really align as far as like once I start to do the leap options, buying shares, getting in on some solid companies. So all this is going to line right up. And then this is right now is a continuation of us just talking about trading in the higher time frame, using the higher time frame to take kind of these longer trades, because I'm better as a swing trader, I think, than a short like scalper. But even in that, I think with the new level of analysis we're adding for the fundamental analysis, we should start to see so the news is going to help us to get a better bias, right? So the news is going to help us get a better bias as far as like getting an understanding of direction. And so if we got the news to support the bias for the day, then it's just going to give us a better quality trade. And then this is a part of trading less during the week and taking better quality trades. So that's pretty much all I got for now, man. Almost forgot, man. I had a position on gold, bruh. This is the 4 hour. Looking really similar to NQ, right? Versus we just got a natural pullback into this gap here. Watch this. Y'all see if you could pause this right now, go ahead and pause it. I'm gonna give you a little interactive lesson to do. Pause it, draw the what you see as that would give you the entry confirmation here, without all the extra technicals. So go ahead and pause it. All right, cool. Now I'm about to show you, if you didn't see this already, boom, we got a gap right here. We got a gap right here on the 1 hour. I think we're already inside this weekly fair value gap. So I was just riding it the rest of the way down. What's good, bro? As we are creating this downtrending structure here, which I can show y'all. I could show y'all this downtrending structure created. Yeah, you can see we're in a real. I'm gonna just take this right here. Y'all can see we're just in this downtrending structure here, and we're just riding it down, bro. We're inside of this. I think this is like a weekly fair value gap right here in the purple. You can see, as you can see, weekly fair value gap. That's why the W is down here. That's why the W is over here like this, right? You see the W? All right, so forgot I was even in this trade. So I wanted to check and see what gold was up to. Let's go to the 4 hour. Give us a little more room to work with. Like I said, this is a huge freaking downtrend, guys. And we're pulling it into this weekly fair value gap. And I think same thing, I probably could hold this even longer, so long as I have the technicals to support it. I was just taking it to this level of support. I probably could take it down to the fair value gaps right below there, but I'm just gonna take it this level of support. We'll see, man. I'm just gonna ride it, bro, and then I'm gonna let everything else just determine whether I should extend my take profit or not. So this is an extended video where we're talking about the technicals on here. I took my entry on the fair value gap, which I've seen on a 1 hour. And this is a trade. All these trades were executed Friday, and I'm holding them over the weekend, which is, again, this is also supporting. All this is just supporting and giving evidence of me moving from scalping to scalping to like just these longer trades, just these longer swing trades where I'm holding like at least 2 or 3 days. Along with the long dated leap options I'm about to start doing too on the investing side. So we'll be making another deposit end of this week, and then the week after that we'll be making a deposit, and then the week after that we make a deposit. So we got like 3 deposits coming up over the next 3 weeks, and we'll get a fresh new prop firm account, and so we're just rocking just like that. You know what I mean? Man, look, that's all I got, man. It's your boy Montego Ramon, man. Y'all know what I'm on, man. Rizerz X, we rise to the occasion. We doing this one more time because your boy, we like no excuses, bro. I'm just shooting it on the phone right now while I'm at work. Didn't drop a video yesterday. Oh yeah, I got you. Yep. So, like I said, literally on the job with it, man. Don't play with it.